Yo, 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 what's going on, dog? Alex Jenkins checking in. Currently in the trade on AUD USD at 74.40. Bought three contracts at for a expiry of 11 p.m. That's later on tonight. Right now, y'all see it's 6:43. So, right now the market's currently at 74.20. We're 20 pips away from the target on the strike rate. The thing is, man. My account supposed to be saying bigger. I started another live simulation the other day. My account started at 267. Now I put in a trade yesterday at 10:09, and my account supposed to be at 500 something dollars before even starting out today. I put a trade in at 32.20 yesterday. I took a little small hit, maybe like $20, something like that, $22, something like that on this contract here. Hold on, let's see if this is correct. Okay, yeah, the time, yeah, that's correct. Okay, yeah, that's the contract. But I put in another trade to yesterday at 10:09 on GU for 3300. This was a 100 pip drop on this trade. I got the from my application. I sent it. I took a screenshot of the application at the time I was in trade. I was in the trade at 10:57 a.m. yesterday. I'm up $80. The market was down already close to 50 pips. Really, let's call that 46 pips. I'm in a tremendous trade. I didn't get credit for that trade. Something going on with their demo or whatever with nadex. I talked to nadex yesterday about this, and then me and this dude went back and forth, and they found the discrepancy. I got screenshots showing the discrepancy. So sometimes you gotta watch, but that's only on demo. They're pretty sharp on their live account, but I haven't really been really deep into their live account, so that's what I'm really working on right now. But in a trade right now on nadex, up $61. Trades winning by a nice pippage right now. Let's take a look at the chart. My entry was here, and as you see, the market is down here. I'm watching this on a 30-minute chart. This is AUD USD, Australian dollar versus US dollar. So things going pretty good. Looking at my 11 o'clock roll around, it should be somewhere near here. See where the market should fall. We'll see where it goes. But it's a good trade right now. So we'll see what it continue to do. Right now I'm down pretty good pips. Let's see if it's gonna continue to fall. My analysis was pretty good. I'm pretty spot on as of right now. So, I wish I did a shorter trade. I'd be proud of winning it right now, but I couldn't. But I think I entered this trade shortly after 6 o'clock, maybe 6:07, something like that. So really this order list here. Yeah, things are going pretty well. This video is getting pretty lengthy as it is right now, so I'll be getting back with you guys in just a moment. Video win. This trade win. 2 seconds. Boom, that's a victory. I was in this trade for quite a while, since earlier this evening. Was a 20 pip victory. I take that. Count just moved to 520, which should be a little bit higher because of the trade I was in the other day that didn't go in. This trade right here did not go in. As you can see, look how many pips I was down. I was already down 46 pips. Look at that. Up $80. I bought two contracts, 3 p.m. And you can see it on this chart, on this one too. I took a screenshot of it. This was yesterday. And you can see the date. Today's the 10th. That was the 9th. 7/14. Look at that. You see the contract. Open position, in the open position. Didn't get paid for that. That's some craziness. But it is what it is. That's what happened. This count wouldn't be sitting at 600 or something, but hey. So, it is a demo account, so I'm not going to really raise too much hell about it, But that is a trade. You got to watch out for things like this. But the demo platform do act crazy. Haven't been into the live platform too heavy because I don't last in it too long. But go back and look at the chart. Hold on just a moment. What was that? All right, we're live here. Yeah, back to the charts. Yeah, as you can see, if you paid attention, I was in a trade the other day going this way. I caught this movement all the way to the upside. Yep, the other day. Caught this whole movement up to the upside. He got all the way to, well, this movement here. Got all the way to the 74. Yeah, I caught all this movement. Yeah. If you paid attention to it. I had a GU trade for 74.40. With AUD. On AUD USD. AU, the Aussie. But as you can see, it broke through here. I got a couple of more alerts down here. You know, so you can see it move to the downside. It broke the trend line, go through here at my price. So as you can see, that was my trade. But I'm not gonna go on and on about it. This is it. This is it, y'all. Alex Jenkins checking out.